Namaskar, this is Captain Sandhya and welcome to Flight Gyan, your source of aviation explained with facts and not fear. If you want the truth behind headlines and rumors in the skies, you are in the right place. Subscribe now and let's get straight to it. In recent days, ever since Air India crash, you have probably heard terms like rejected takeoff and go around splashed across news channels. Headlines scream takeoff aborted or landing cancelled at the last minute. To the average traveler, it sounds terrifying. Recently, a senior minister even claimed that during such a maneuver, they came close to death. For those unfamiliar with aviation, that reaction might seem natural. But here's the truth. These are not signs of danger, they are proof that safety systems are working exactly as they should. Let's understand what is rejected takeoff. If during takeoff, pilots or the aircraft system detect any issue, an unusual vibration, a warning light, or even an animal on the runway, they apply maximum braking and stop immediately. This split second decision prevents trouble before it can start. Imagine you're speeding down the runway and suddenly a warning light flashes, a bird crosses ahead, or there's an unexpected vibration. In that split second, pilot slams the brake. It's like cancelling a road trip the moment your car's check engine light comes on. Only here, the stakes are higher and the decision is instant. Now, let's talk about go around. If during landing the runway isn't clear, weather shifts suddenly, or the approach isn't stable, pilots push the throttles forward, climb away, and try again. This is not an emergency, it's a planned, trained, and safe procedures to ensure the smoothest landing possible. It's not panic, it's a textbook safety move that's been rehearsed to perfection. I know it's scary, but let's see how common they are. Far more than you think. Both happen every single day across the world. Pilots rehearse them repeatedly in simulators. Most of the time, passengers barely realize anything happened. That's how routine they are. So, why the media hype? Post Air India crash, even routine safety actions get amplified as breaking news. When a public figure calls it a near death experience, it grabs eyeballs but creates needless fear. In truth, these actions exist to keep you safe, not because you were unsafe. How pilots train for this around the world. These are not winged moments. Pilots worldwide undergo simulator checks every 6 months to practice exactly these situations. In the simulator, they face engine failures during takeoff at high speed, sudden tire burst at V1, runway incursions requiring instant rejection, go-around drills in zero visibility. From Air India in Mumbai to British Airways in London to Singapore Airlines in Changi, every airline follows strict international standards set by ICAO and their national authorities. By the time a pilot handles a rejected takeoff and go around in real life, they have practiced it dozens of times in the simulators, with scenarios far worse than most real events. In aviation, avoiding risk is the real victory. So, let's talk about the misunderstanding. Without context, a safety maneuver can look like a disaster narrowly avoided. The reality is the aviation system that prevented that disaster in the first place. A rejected takeoff or a go around isn't a red flag, it's a safety net. Aviation works on one principle: better safe than sorry. Or, in simpler terms, the system protects you before danger can even begin. For more such clear, fact based aviation insights, like, share, and subscribe to Flight Gyan, because in the sky, knowledge is your best co pilot. This is your Captain Sandhya signing off. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, in aviation, prevention is the ultimate protection. Thank you.